Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
Oh, no, man. What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's crack?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us.
Hey, beat up is only a couple of blocks away.
Hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly, Grove Street don't bang no more. Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right. Let's just cruise through the hood and find somebody selling.
Show some respect, dummy!
Hey, Buster, wait up!
Get your stupid ass out the road.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog? Dog, I got quality. You fun yet, fool?
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a... Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
I'm gonna get this bat.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies. Ooh-wee. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Grove Street going down!
What? Ninja these
I'm in
motherfuckers.
a whole lot of trouble, tough guy. You scrapping with the champ. Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
Show, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on me. Ooh, times change.
Burger shot. I think. Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, it's just us in silence of victory, motherfucker. Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
Our first date, we shot guns and ammunition.